Hello students, welcome back to my class. I hope all of you are well and safe in your house. Now today we are going to start class 9th supplementary reader about foot movements, chapter 2nd about a very interesting and adventurous story. The name of the chapter is The Adventures of Toto. It is written by Ruskin Bond, an Indian writer. So students, before starting the chapter, I will be asking you some question. Before that, we will know about the writer Ruskin Bond. Earlier also I told you that Ruskin Bond, he was a British descent Indian writer. He was a British descent Indian writer. Yes, his nationality is Indian, but his forefathers were British. He was born during British India regarding 1934 something about. He is still alive and he was a great writer. He got Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan awards. He is living in Missouri now. So most of his writings are based at the beginning life. He got so many awards regarding his writings about the natural beauties, the Himalayan mountain ranges. Then he started writing about little children. So many novels are there. The chapter is also, he is a very famous writer, and the chapter The Adventures of Toto. Before starting the chapter, I will tell you to look at the title, Adventures. Student, do you have any idea? What do you mean by adventure? What do you mean by adventure? Adventure. What is adventure? Something daring. Adventure एक ऐसा journey, your experience of any event or any journey that must be daring होना चाहिए, and sometimes it is risky. You have to take the risk. Something exciting, okay? And excitement, risk कहाँ पे आता है? Some new things, experience of some new things, new events, experience, okay? So एडवेंचर हम लोग जब बोलते हैं, वी मीन क्या करते हैं? समथिंग रिस्की, समथिंग डेयरिंग, समथिंग न्यू. वी आर टेकिंग द चैलेंज, वी आर टेकिंग द एक्साइटिंग इवेंट्स. सो दैट इज एडवेंचर. सो हियर ऑल्सो द टाइटल शोज द एडवेंचर ऑफ टोटो. द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर क्वेश्चन विल कम इन योर माइंड, हु इज टोटो? टोटो कौन है? सो टू टेल इट, आई हैव टू टेल यू अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स. सो द राइटर रस्किन बॉन्ड, आई हैव टोल्ड यू about him, the great writer. Then about the title, that is Adventures of Toto. So adventure means something daring, something risky. And then about Toto, the Adventures of Toto, the title is about Toto. Toto is a proper noun. It is the name of a pet monkey. So do you notice any time that any person having any pet monkey? You will notice in circus, in some people are there who brought some monkeys to show you some tricks of those monkeys. No? So Toto is a pet monkey. Now whose pet monkey? Next question will come to your mind, that whose pet monkey? So Toto is the pet monkey of the narrator's grandfather. Narrator's grandfather. So we get some characters here. First of all, Toto, a pet monkey. Whose pet monkey? Narrator's grandfather. So we are getting three characters here about pet monkey Toto, narrator, who is the writer Ruskin Bond, and his grandfather. Now I will be telling you about them. So first of all I will be telling you about Toto. Toto is a mischievous monkey. How? Mischievous monkey. So Toto is a mischievous means sararati, shaitan, badmaas, mischievous monkey. He is a kind of nuisance everywhere. He caused so many nuisance everywhere, in every place. His habit is like doing these things. When I will be teaching you another chapter about the three friends, about packing, about three men in a boat, there will get another dog has been mentioned. So Toto, the monkey, is a very mischievous monkey. he committed nuisance, he caused disturbance everywhere. His only happiness is when he disturbs someone, he causes some nuisance, and every time he is fun loving. Also Toto is having some good qualities also. Also most of the funny incidents are there. How he made so many funny incidents, I will be telling you when I will be telling you the summary. Then narrator. We know narrator Ruskin Bond, who was at the time a school going boy. So his grandfather was a retired person who was living on pension, So narrator's grandmother was a retired person who was living on pension, and most of all the grandfather was a great lover of animals. What? Great lover of animals. And grandfather is having a private zoo. He was having, as he was a great lover of animal, so he was having a private zoo, and in that zoo he is having some pet animals, a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, pet squirrel, and also a goat and a donkey. And the name of the donkey is Nana. What? Nana. So student, we notice also some Totos are there in your class also. In your class also you will get some mischievous monkeys there. Sometimes funny बोलते ना, बेवकूफ, गधे हो, नाना के जैसे, बंदर जैसे उछलते हो, किसके जैसे? टोटो के जैसे. So don't give any name to any child, okay? That you are a Toto. So these are the characters, and most important is about the grandfather. Grandfather was a retired person. He was living on pension. He was a great lover of animal, and he was having a pet, some pet animals he was having. And another character is there, grandmother, and others are also there. So these are the characters. This is the title, writer. Now I will be telling you the